So hello guys and welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to transfer money from PayPal to PayPal. So if you want to transfer from one PayPal account to another, it just needs a couple of different information or pieces of information, then you're going to be set up. So first of all, log into your account. You can check out if you're logged in by your account layout looking something like this. From that, you can see at the bottom, home, send and request and wallet. Just click on send a request tab. So once you're here, you can see send a request from just about anyone, anywhere, send a request with email or mobile, or search PayPal users by name. So type the person's name, their PayPal username, email address, or mobile number. These are all viable options to find your PayPal recipient, or in this case, someone that you're going to request money from. And you can set the amount. So type the amount and select your preferred currency. And choose the type. You can pick friends and family for personal transfers or goods and services for purchases. So you can even categorize it. So you can also, if you want to set it up a bit deeper, you can see if it's for domestic purposes or international purposes. So if it's a transfer that's going to be done domestically or internationally, and you can choose different payment methods to do so from your bank balance or credit card. So you can calculate if there are any fees to be incorporated within that. So that's about it. That's how you can send money from one PayPal account to another. If you found this information helpful or useful, you can like the video. You can also share a video. You can subscribe to our channel and click the notification bell to get notified about new videos on PayPal or some other topics you might find interesting as well. Thank you very much for watching this video, and as always, I will see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.